Good evening and welcome to Gustav Making Stuff. Now, today I'm going to make a Spider-Man monster. Or a monster that is a Spider-Man. Because he's trademarked and associated to something that isn't really resembling a spider. But whatever, it is a Spider-Man monster thing. So, this is from last year's Plague Doctor thing, where I kind of made the beak too long and too bent in, so it looked like an elephant instead. So, well, I thought, why not use this for this thing here? So I have one of my tape heads, which I have done before, and you see, I'm just gonna glue this to the tape head here. So we're gonna have to bend like the beak mouth here, and then cut it up with a knife. And you see, now we can get a little bit of a mouth going here. And I take the glue gun and glue it into the chest part there, so it actually hold its shape while I'm stuffing it filled with the mouth interior parts, which is made out of this foam. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna put that in and then glue the edges around it so it will hold its fantastic shapes. Like that. You see? It looks like he can fit stuff into his mouth now, which will be happy because then you can eat. And eating is very darn good to do. So, and after that, I'm going to have a little bit of a small foam teeth, which I have shaped with the scissors. Or scissor. I have one dull and one quite sharp. It's very good to have. Anyway, so now we're gonna cut out some holes here for his eyes, so he can see something. And I have the lenses here, because this was Google's failed attempt at selling cardboard VR glasses. And then kind of Facebook swept in and took the competition there. Anyway, whatever. So now you see, I'm going to make some cuts here, so when we heat form it, it will look a little bit more organic around the eyes there, like he has wrinkles going around, or like his eyes is big sphincters that curve around the eyes so he can blink. I don't know. He's a spider. I don't have spider autonomy, as far as you know. Anyway, so now you see I'm putting this on this foam here, and I'm gonna glue them in the from the back there. We might have giant thumbs now. I have VR lenses there. They are made of plastic. They sold them for 10 cents a pop. So I bought 200 of them. Because I'm an insane person. So now, we're gonna have some black foam behind this here. So it will look very nice. I thought about doing some elaborate things with the eyes there. But I just, whatever. No one's gonna see it. And the people who are gonna see it is probably gonna be quite drunk, because this is going to be on a Halloween party, which is quite soon. So I have to do a lot of monsters in 1 week. That's why you will get a lot of videos this week. So now you see that we're going to put it there. Now, this is pipe insulation, which is fantastic because it's very easy to cut, and you can just heat it up and form it however you want to, and it melts a little bit when you put hot glue in it, which could be a downside. But no, it glues together really nicely. And it wrinkles up in rounded shapes when you heat form it. So there we have Velociraptor claws, which I have 3D printed. And now this is a very specific kind of spray can lid, which I will use as the side joint for the side mouth sweeping spider parts, whatever. They eat with it. And they survive, so apparently it works pretty darn great if you're a spider to have extra arm things that could shovel things into your mouth. So now you see here we have the teeth things here being painted with a matching color for the side beaks spider food thingy. And now we're gonna put in some black paint here with the. So you see, they're probably gonna be very nice in the dark, misty Halloween party lighting, which we are having here nearby where I live. If you live nearby, come by. It's gonna be great when we have removed all the restrictions. So here it is on a body. Thank you for watching. So, I hope you find this fantastic to make. Go do it and show me it. Bye.